They got us a 90-point requirement, which included everything from HVAC to structure to planning to aesthetic. So it was quite of a very interesting collaboration with client, where aspiration from this particular home was not mere rooms and furniture, but it was more of showing their personality and how to reinterpret a home in this modern context. Hive is intelligent and adaptable family home of three. The site is located in Vesu, which is up and coming suburban area of Surat. Family comprises of three, a husband, wife, and their son. The site is in a gated community where all the bungalows are residential bungalows, and the laws is that we cannot create any boundary walls between the bungalows for greater interaction and flow of landscape. The clients are from a very prominent diamond family. They are into making machines for diamond industry. There are three generations of mechanical engineers in a house. The demand was to make the house in steel or any metal. So we took a little bit of break, did a lot of research of how to properly use metal in hot and dry climate of Surat. During the summer it varies around 46 degrees Celsius. The form of the house is very dynamic and it's a angular V-shaped structure where it is also fluidly flowing and going up, and it is like floating into the sky. The house is in a very flat land, so we wanted to create an interesting entry which can be very experiential. This is the main road to the site, and we have taken the garage in semi basement, so we had to create this valley kind of entryway. You are greeted by this perforated screen bridge entryway. It has a parametric screen which perforates in different scale and sizes. There is a fluid open volume which incorporates the formal living area, the family sitting, dining, and there is a kitchen which helps in communicating with the dining as well as a utility area which is behind it. It's a 3-bedroom house where there are 2 bedrooms which are on the first floor, and there's a 1 bedroom which is on the ground floor. Brief given to us was each of the bedroom wanted a extended landscape area. Inside, once you open the door, there is a sculptural partition unit which divides the entire living area, where everything is very seamless and fluid. Complementing the partition unit, there is also the same kind of sculptural staircase which is also fluid in shape, which is made up of metal. The facade of Hive is really interesting, and we did a lot of energy analysis during designing the facade. We had 1 year of reading of the entire temperature and solar path of that particular site. The screen becomes the outer facade of the building, and there is a secondary wall which is 750 mm behind the main screen. It gives insulation to the main structure. This is the prototype model which we had earlier envisioned while making the screen. Sun filters through the facade and it creates a dramatic experience through the sciography, which keeps us transforming throughout the day. Keeping in mind that we had a very tectonic exterior of the house, we wanted to bring in a bit of warmth into the interior. So it was designed in a way where we can contrast the finish and polished look of steel into a very raw and natural feel of wood and stone. We have incorporated stone into the flooring. The entire furniture has been curated from Italy. We have tried to incorporate the hexagonal theme inside the house, where we have used that into our main door, which again was inspired by khadki doors, where there is a big door and there is a small opening in that door. The opening mechanism which is presently in the house was conceived while driving in a airport bus. We have created different pockets of landscape throughout the house and in different levels, like we have raised garden, we have terrace gardens, and we have also sunken courts. Along with the active parts which help in conserving energy, we had created a lot of waffle slabs, where it is a sandwich slab between the main living area and the top slab, so it doesn't get heated up too much. There are many static screens which again helps us in shielding the harsh sun. We have created entire system of water conservation and water harvesting in this entire house. The entire facade runs on solar batteries. We really loved that entire process of taking the challenge of designing a house in a different manner, where we indulge ourselves into a lot of reading and research about aspects which were not architectural, which were more on the technical part or biomimicry or sustainability. So the whole process is like creating a product.